Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome back to my channel. You have arrived. And for the first video of 2019, I'm going to kick it off with a hair tutorial. So this is totally curl friendly. And if you guys do enjoy this video today, be sure to hit that like button down there. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Now, if you'd like to see how I accomplish these curls with all Deva Curl products, then stick around with me. Don't go anywhere and keep watching. And yes, I woke up like this. Oh, I actually do. I want to share with you guys. Right here, I have a nice, really cute satin scrunchie. This is actually from NP Tress Treats, and I will link them down below for you guys so you can check them out. They have satin bonnets, they have pillowcases, the scrunchies, and a few other things I believe as well. But they have so many different prints. They have solid colors. They have like bundles. They have a lot of curl friendly products, so be sure to check them out. The first Deva Curl product I'm going to use is Buildup Buster. This is actually a product that I've never used before, so today is going to be a first time use. And this is great for cleaning your scalp. It gets rid of all the gunk and the grime and the product and the dead skin. So that can really get the scalp nice and clean, and it can breathe, and your hair can grow, and you can have nice, healthy, hydrated curls. So then your hair can pick up all the good stuff that you put in your hair all the time. Very excited to try the Buildup Buster. So I'm gonna use that first in the shower. Then when I'm done using that in the shower, I'm gonna use my No Poo from the Decadence line. And I've actually used this one a lot. I'm not new to this. I enjoy this tremendously. After I finish using the No Poo Decadence, I'm gonna also pick up from the Decadence line One Condition. So it's a really nice milk conditioner. It is like ultra moisturizing. And this one right here. So I'm gonna do all of this. Oh God. Alrighty, so I got all the goods right here as you can see. So I'm gonna release these curls, hop into the shower, and I'll be right back with some nice cleansed hair. I had a slight change of plans. Before I used the Buildup Buster, I read the fine print, and it was saying that you can substitute this out instead of using your usual cleanser. Is this? So that's what I did. Buildup Buster, the No Poo, the One Condition. I did not use that. So I did Buildup Buster and I did the One Condition, and that's all I used. Now I'm ready to move on to the hair mask. Woo! I have not used this product before either from Deva Curl. This is the Melt into Moisture. It is a matcha butter conditioning mask. Ooh, I like matcha. I usually consume it in beverages, but my hair can consume it too, I guess, right? This stuff smells really good. I was like, hey. And it's all green. It's a nice green matcha color. Let's get to it. I'm gonna grab a good chunk of the mask and start working it through the hair. I like to get as close to the root as possible, just so as much of the strand of hair can get nice and moisturized. And of course, focusing on those ends, yes. Okay, once I have it nice through my hair, every strand in this clump, I'm gonna start twisting. No, really, actually, I guess when it's my left side, I twist it away from my face, and then on the right side, I twist away from my face. So I'm gonna twist this away from my face. I'm gonna keep twisting and twisting until I get really tight to the root. I keep twisting it around. I just hold it really nice and tight. Sorry, you probably can't tell all what I'm doing. Till it look a little something like that. Boom. And then moving on. We go with the first side. So all of the little twists on this side are very tiny, and then now when I work on the opposite side here, I'm going to make the twist a little bit bigger. And if you have like even less time and you're like, I want to hurry up and do this, it's not necessary to do this many twists all around your head. Sometimes if I'm trying to rush, I'll do my hair halfway up, halfway down, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. to make sure my hair gets extra moisture and hydration. I'm gonna promote some heat, and I'm gonna do that with my shower cap right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on like so. And yes, there we go. Now, if you want a little extra heat, which I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna use what I have around my shoulders here. Once everything's in place, I'm gonna keep everything on and the mask in for 20 minutes. And now we wait. Product time. So the mask is nice and washed and rinsed out, and gonna add these products for styling. I have 3 that I'm gonna use in my hair today to style from Deva Curl. The first one I'm gonna use is Believe In. This one here is good for texture and volume, and it's a very like water-based product, has a lot of slip in it. So this one is very nice. I'm gonna start with this. The next product I will apply to my hair is going to be styling cream. So this one here is really good for definition and control of the curls. If anybody can really control curls, yeah. But this one is really nice. So it's a nice cream based product, and it smells amazing. The last product I'm gonna add to my hair to kind of really seal it is some gel, and this is the Light Defining Gel. This is also another one that defines and controls. That's it. That is the lineup. We got the Believe In, then we have the styling cream, and then the Light Defining Gel. Let's apply it to these curls. Here we go. Right, kicking it off with the Believe In. So I'm going to use about a quarter size of the product, and as I add it in, I use the prayer hands and raking. And I like to do both of the techniques, not like one or the other. Both of them seem to work really well for me. And then when I hop into the styling cream, I'm going to use 1 pump, and then same thing, prayer hands, raking it through. And now for the gel, I'm not going to use as much. I like to use a little bit, but I like to focus it on my ends and then at the root. And once it's all in there, I'll scrunch, and then continue all around my head. So I'll go from the Believe In, and then to the styling cream, and last, the Light Defining Gel. After all the product has been added, I'm going to use my fingers to rake my hair backwards out of my face, and then I'm going to go through maybe about like an inch or 2 away from my scalp, and I put my fingers through my hair and then push towards my scalp. This helps to promote volume, and so my hair is not matted to my head. Then I'm going to go ahead and air dry for an hour and diffuse. Diffusing done. All right, to diffuse, I used my Revlon blow dryer right here, and then I used my nice little collapsible diffuser from the Curly Co. I love this diffuser. It's one of my favorites that I have used so far. So it's great. You can pack it away at home or take it with you on long trips, and when you're ready, you're ready. And when you're done, you're done. I have yet to pick my hair out, and I wanted to kind of show you guys first these results. Let me get a little close up. Ooh. I'm very happy with these results. There is a little bit of frizz. I don't know if you can tell, a little bit like a halo of frizz. It is not terrible. I've learned in my curly journey, and I'm still learning to accept it, embrace the frizz, because it's bound to happen. Like, it's so rare if I do a hairstyle or use certain products and I have absolutely no frizz. That's almost like unheard of. Embrace that. Your curly journey will go much smoother and much better. But besides that, I'm very happy with how they turned out. They do still look nice and glossy. I don't know if you can tell some of them there. But really nice glossy curls, and oh my gosh, smells really good. Just to quickly kind of recap and go through all the products. Let's do that. The Buildup Buster. I have to say I was very happy with this product. I feel like my scalp got a really nice clean, and I went ahead, so I used this in place of my actual cleanser that I usually use, the No Poo from the Decadence line. And I skipped over that today, and I went right to the One Condition from Decadence. This has also a lot of nice slip, and it detangles fantastically and conditions and hydrates. Love it. The styling products. Now, my Believe In, another one, great slip. I love how it works on my hair. So this one I've never had a problem with or I've never been upset with. Sometimes I'll use Believe In all by itself. This also for me helps for me to get a little bit more length in my curls. It doesn't promote a lot of shrinkage. So that's always nice with this one. The last two products that I used were the styling cream and the light defining gel. So let me know in the comments down below, especially those of you that have used these products and or the super cream and the ultra defining gel, because I think I kind of want to try those products. I feel like they'll have a little bit more hold than each of these do. So let me know your thoughts too if it is something that I should look into doing, because I like the way these two products turned out on my hair. I feel like I might need, I don't know, like a little bit more hold to my hair. Maybe the super cream has a little more hydration to it, and then the ultra defining gel is just like a better gel to hold, like, I don't know, and get rid of frizz. And that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and checking out this video. Let me know in the comments down below some of the products that you guys have used from Deva Curl, maybe some you like, you don't like, and also if you have any suggestions of any of the Deva Curl products that you suggest that I should give a try or you'd like to see me review, because right now those Deva Curl products that I showed you are the only ones that I have and that I've tried. So let me know some of your thoughts in the comments down below. And again, if you guys enjoyed this, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. And take care, guys. Bye. Oh, that looks beautiful. I feel like Pulp Fiction. That's what was in the suitcase. Oh God, I'm like choking myself out with the club. Oh God. The only thing I want shining is my smile. Char, where are you? Shape my curls. Ooh, get that squiggly line.